today we will learn what is successor and predecessor. So what is successor? Successor of a number that comes just after the number is called successor. So what is the successor? Successor of a given number comes just after the number. Means suppose 25 is given. What is the successor of 25? Just after the given number. After means 26. So 26 is the successor of 25. So what we are doing over here? We are just adding 1 to get the successor. We are just adding 1 to get the successor. So what is the successor of 149? The successor of 149 is just after that number. So we just have to add 1 to the given number. That is the next number. So 149 plus 1 is equal to 150. So successor of 149 is 150. Now we will move to the predecessor. What is predecessor? Predecessor of a number comes just before the given number. So what we have to do? We have to subtract 1 from the given number. To get the predecessor, we just have to subtract 1 from the given number. So for example, predecessor of 34. The number just comes before the given number. So just before. Before, what is the predecessor? We get 33. So predecessor of 34 is 33. How we got 33? 34 minus 1 is equal to 33. So the predecessor of 34 is equal to 33. Let's take another example. The predecessor of 221. What is the predecessor of 221? The predecessor of 221, the number that comes just before the given number. So it will be 220. Because we know the before number of 221 is 220. Or we can simply do 221 minus 1, which is equal to 220. So now we know how to find the successor and predecessor of the given number. Now let's see few examples. Suppose the number given 50. What is the predecessor of the given number? The given number is 50. What is the predecessor of the given number? So the predecessor of the given number is just the before number, which is 49. So how we get 49? 50 minus 1 is equal to 49. And what is the successor of the given number 50? The successor of the given number 50 is 51. And how we get 51? 50 plus 1 is equal to 51. Now let's take another example. Suppose the given number is 111. What is the predecessor of the given number? How we will do? We know the before number of 111 is 110. And if we don't know that, we just do 111 minus 1 is equal to 110. Now we will write the successor of the given number 111. After 111 comes 112. So the successor of 111 is 112. How do we get 112? 111 plus 1, we get 112. So now we know how to find the predecessor and successor of the given number. So the predecessor is the before number and the successor is the after number of the given number. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe Math Only Math for more videos. Thanks for watching the video.